Enemy down.
अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर जितनी हवस निकालनी है उतनी हवस निकालो, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए।
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit, man, I'm on it, honest. I'm gonna launch quick, man, I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just with my 9 to 5, I'm rocking. They watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life. It's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow the time and just enjoy the climb.
Enemy down. Dead. Enemy down.
Yeah, let's go.
Expired. Clear.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro.
Reloading. Enemy
I swear to
down.
God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will rock when I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, then I stuck this. Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Poppin', spitting hot shit. I'm dropping, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost